Good morning, guys. Bit of an experiment, this one. Let's see how much support layer I need to do something. I need a lot of tidying up that. Probably break it trying to get all these support layers off. Wondered if I could do it all in one print or do it in 3 separate pieces. 4 separate pieces that would have been. We'll see if we can get it apart without breaking it. Right, we'll have a look and see if we can get the support layers off. This was a bit of an experiment just to see how much I could print all in one go. If it all falls apart, I'll tell you what it is first. It's basically my logo. Grandad is an old man with his walking stick. And in this side, this hand, he's actually got a rubber band powered car. Or at least that's what it's supposed to be. It's hollow. The idea is it will eventually, or the eventual design will be one of those, not a solar rocker, just a bobblehead thing that rocks on a spring when you sit it on the dashboard of your car. So it'll just rock about. Inspired by a comment by Chatty Batty. Now, I'm using the latest version of I forgot what it's called now, Cura, the slicer. And it said something about they'd fixed a problem with it putting support layers where it shouldn't. And I'm pretty sure it's put support layers inside where it shouldn't have, and where it's done the raft, it's missed the edge here. It's made the raft too short or too narrow. So the edge of Grandad is a mess just there. That raft should have come out wider. I've no idea why it's done that. Anyway, I suspect when I try and get this apart, it's all going to go wrong. I expect I'll break his arms. Poor chap. Maybe if I cut that off first. Yeah, that support layer is much too strong. Yeah, all of that wasn't necessary. There's nothing in there it's supporting. The middle bit, that sort of tube bit there, fair enough, that was to support the top of the dome. But that bit's not supposed to be there. And when I did the latest update, I hadn't had that problem before, but it said it had cured it. And now we've got it where we didn't have it before. And as I say, it's missed the edges here, so we've got this stringy bit, which shouldn't be there. Support goes round his arm and supports his chin, which we don't need. And I expect when I try and get that off, I'll probably snap his neck. That's what I expect to happen. How can we do this? Something to cut down onto. No, that's not going to do it. I expect if I'd attacked it while it was still warm, it might have been a bit easier. That might support him. I expect I'm going to break the very thing that I'm trying to support, because this support layer is just too strong. I've got some different pliers, cutters. Right, so I go with these instead. Right, well, that was the easy bit. This is going to be interesting. If you can hear the wind outside, it's pretty windy out there. We had Storm Eunice yesterday, but we're expecting to have problems for the next few days. be free now. There we are. Right, well I actually didn't expect to get that all apart. That's his little rubber band powered car. His walking stick. So the idea is he'll be on a spring and just wobble side to side. So not happy that that went wrong there. In fact, there's quite a few things that weren't quite right with that print. But we got the general idea. Just stand on there. Yeah. Well, I'll have to print a little base for him that we can stick on the dashboard. Yeah, it might work. That'll do for this episode anyway. We'll see what we can do, see if we can do anything that makes him balance and rock, and whether we ought to give him feet as well. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.